Welcome back. Let's get into the first demo of our this training program, which is related to the VMware Workstation 15.0, which is the latest version related to the desktop virtualization. We have number of options available related to the desktop virtualization, which I have listed down here for you. If you want to test further applications related to the virtualization side, here is the list. So we have a parallel desktop application, which is completely recommended for the Apple products virtualization, and at number 2 we available Oracle VirtualBox, which is completely free and you can also utilize it. And in the at number 3 we available VMware Workstation Player 15.0, and these products are available from last 2 decades for the purpose of desktop virtualization. So at top products, when we talk about the desktop virtualization, it's VMware Workstation, and at 4 Chemo is available, which is based on open source application, so you can utilize one of them. We are right now we are going to take the demo for VMware Workstation. So let's move and get the demo. Here I have already downloaded VMware Workstation application for this demo purpose. So I just right click on it and start with run as administrator. So it will be get the administrative privileges. Here you can see that it's asking about, do you want to allow this app to make the changes to your device? Yes, definitely. We want to get the basic deployment of VMware. So as this process continue, you will find a number of options related to the VMware Workstation. So here process begins. Here you can see that now these are the simplest steps. You have to click the next button here, get the license agreement accepted, click on the next button, and here it's a VMware Workstation installation file path. Here you can see the 3 partition program files, so just click on the next button. Check for the updates. We don't want to check for the updates, and we don't want to join the experience community right now. Here you see that if you want to place the VMware virtualization icon on your desktop, so you have to click on it, and I just want to remove the start menu program folder and click on the next button and then simply install. And within few seconds this product will be installed on my laptop or my testing machine, and after that we will go for the deployment of a number of options which we discussed previously. Here you can see that installing virtual network drivers and a number of things related to the virtualization infrastructure, and definitely it will create a virtual switches for our demo environment, and other required components will be installed over here. Here you can see that completed the VMware Workstation Pro setup. Visit, click the finish button. So we just installed the desktop virtualization application. Now we will go for further demos related to the virtualization infrastructure.